Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw an Oviraptor. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Oviraptor. We're going to begin up here at the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a little curved line like this. Then we're just going to make a little circle shape underneath it. We'll add a couple little lines underneath the eye. Next, we'll make a little line that's going to come up and down. Then we're going to curve this line out and then down for the beak. Let's bring this back and then down here. Then we're going to bring this line up and then over to here for the bottom. We'll angle this down, then we'll kind of curve and then bring it up here. Let's make the back part of the mouth with a few lines. And we'll make a little curved line for the tongue. I want to make this mouth look 3D, so I'm just going to draw a little line here. We'll also put a little dot for the nose. I'm going to bring this line back to here, and I'm going to put a couple points on here so it looks like it's got some feathers on the back. I'm going to draw a couple little lines here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then back here for the neck. Now, before we go any farther, let's draw a little crest up here. We're going to come up here at an angle and then back down. Now I'm going to make some more kind of like little pointed lines back here just to make it look like it's furry. Then we're going to connect this line down a little bit farther. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down here. And then I'm going to angle this line down, and then we're going to come down like this for the hand. We'll kind of curve here. Then we'll make a longer claw like this. Then we'll make a third claw over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to angle it back. And then we'll curve here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and over. And then I'm going to bring this line here. For the back leg, I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to angle it back. We'll come straight down and then add an angle once more. We'll make a claw right here for one of the toes. Then we'll start up here and make a second claw. Then we'll start up here and finally make that third claw. I'm going to bring this line up at an angle. Then I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to angle it in, and then we'll just kind of curve it around for that leg. Then we just connect it here. Now for this other arm, let's bring this line out. Then we're going to bring this down with a curve. And then we'll bring another one down and then up here. Then we're going to bring this over. I'm going to bring this line down. I'm going to bring this down and then right to here. I'm going to bring this down to a claw and we'll come up. And we'll do a third one right here, just for that leg. Now we'll make one small claw on this foot. Then I'm going to bring this back up here. And then angle it up here. Now, starting up here, we're going to work on the back. I'm just going to make some of these pointy zigzag lines here just to give more of that feather texture. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here. We're going to curve it, and then we're going to bring it back here. Then I'm going to add a couple little wrinkle lines there. So we got our basic shape of our Oviraptor. We want to come in here and add some of those fun details and everything. So let's go ahead and start on the head. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to bring a little bit of a line that's going to come down here to kind of shape out more of like a beak look. Then I'm going to make some lines here and here. I'm also going to make some little broken lines on the beak as well. And then a couple lines here. We're also going to make a few broken lines on here. I'm going to make some long lines here. And I'm going to make some curved lines coming right across here. Let's add some claws onto our Oviraptor. And then we're going to make some little lines on the fingers. I always like to add a few curved lines kind of wherever there's an arm or something, just to make it look like there's wrinkles and it could be moving. This is really important on like dinosaurs. We can also add a few little lines on the arms as well. Let's add these claws onto the feet. So we'll just make those little curved lines on there. And then we can just add those little extra lines coming right around here. I'm even going to make some lines come up here, so make the foot look a little bit longer. And then we'll add some little details on the knee. And some little lines on the legs as well. Let's add these little curves here on the body. And then let's make a long broken line down the leg, or the tail, I'm sorry, and then let's add some of these little lines here. And then a couple more little lines here as well, even on some of the feet. Now I'm just going to kind of extend some of these little lines here, and maybe even add a few more zigzag lines on here for a little bit of texture. And we can do that same thing here, just kind of give it a little bit more of that feathery look on here. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Oviraptor. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.